In this video, you're going to learn how to use the Canvas student app. You may download the app from App Store or Google Play. After opening the app, you will see the Student App landing page. Locate your institution by tapping Find My School button. Enter the name of your institution in the search field. When the full name displays in the search list, tap the name on the login page. Enter your email and password, then tap the login button. After logging into the student app, you will see your dashboard, which displays your courses and groups. To view your calendar, tap the calendar icon. The calendar displays events and assignments for your personal, group, and course calendars. To visit the to-do list, tap the to-do list icon. The to-do list displays course assignments, quizzes, and discussions that you have not completed. To view your notifications, tap the notifications button. To view your inbox, tap the inbox icon. The inbox displays all conversations, messages, and allows you to create a new message. To return to your dashboard, tap the dashboard icon. To open your user menu, tap the menu icon with the 3 horizontal white lines. The user menu allows you to manage app settings, view your user files, and more. You now have completed the tutorial of using your Canvas student app.